How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another auto video. Real quick disclaimer, I'm doing this off my cell phone because I am on vacation and of course my truck wanted to poop itself now. So, and plus it's -4 right now in New York. So this is why I'm doing it. So, how to fix your air that's not working. I'm going to show you what it's doing. So, turn it on. As you can see, turn the music off. So, we push power to the air. Here's noises, nothing's blowing. Absolutely nothing. Go to setting number 2. Absolutely nothing. No blowing. Even if, again, no matter what it is, no blowing on number 2, no blowing on number 1. But then when I get to number 3, it works. And then when I go to number 4, it works as well. But number setting 1 and 2 don't work. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. And since it's on my phone again, it's going to be kind of hard to do this, but you actually have to go underneath your glove compartment. It's a simple little thing called a blower motor resistor. This is what determines and sends to the computer on what setting you want. And it's only about 20 bucks. I went to AutoZone, got it for there. I also went to AutoZone and I bought a $150 blower motor, thinking it was the actual motor, and I dropped it, of course. A $150 blower motor, thinking that was a problem. It was not, so ended up being this little piece here, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's super easy and super simple if I don't drop it again. So if you go into here, it's literally, as soon as you take out the glove compartment, it's right here. I already unscrewed it because it's kind of hard to get in here, and right here. Take it out. As you can see, yep, mine is definitely shot. Don't know what happened to it, but it's definitely shot. And all you got to do is take this one, disconnect it, plug it in with this one, and slide it right into the slot right there, and it should be working. So let me do that now, and I'll get right back to you. All right, got the new one installed. Moment of truth. And it works. Setting number 1. You can hear it. Setting number 2. You can hear it. And I am happy. So, if this is happening to you, I hope this video is helpful for you. Sorry I couldn't do a full in-depth. I just, again, with the resources I have, I didn't figure to do a video on vacation. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.